Welcome to the installation of the Yakima TimberLine Towers with traditional round bars. If you have existing round bars, the TimberLine Towers can be used with the SL Adapters to attach to most factory-raised rails with a low capacity of up to 165 pounds depending on the manufacturer's rating. Begin by removing the cover from the TimberLine Tower. Simply pinch the grip points simultaneously and pull the cover off. Next, loosen the upper inner screw about 8 to 10 times. Now loosen the strap screw. This will require up to 100 turns to fully reveal the screw underneath used to attach the SL adapter. With the strap loose, attach the seat from the SL adapter kit. Put one side at an angle and snap the other side into place. You should hear an audible click. Then line up the thread on the round bar adapter to the screw and hold it in place with your finger. Turn the tower around and thread the screw underneath completely until the handle on the wrench clicks multiple times in a row. Once all 4 towers are set up, slide them onto the bars. You can install the end caps at this point as well. It may require a mallet to fully install them. Now you're ready to attach the bars to the roof. Start by centering the tower on the raised rail and use the hash mark in the middle of the towers as a reference point. Then measure the bars and make sure it's the same amount on both sides. Once measured, tighten the upper inner bolt until the wrench handle clicks multiple times. This may require up to 10 to 15 turns. With the towers attached to the bars, take the metal strap and wrap it under the rail and place the silver tabs into the bottom notch of the tower. Now take your wrench and tighten the strap screw to full torque until you hear the handle click multiple times. Be warned, this could take up to 100 turns and the use of both hands. It gets tiring. To place the cover back on, line up the pegs on the cover to the holes on the tower and slide it into place. Additional lock cores can be purchased to lock the cover onto the tower as well. With the front bar installed, repeat the same steps to attach the rear bar. Be sure to measure an equal distance on both sides so that the bars are parallel to each other. Thanks for watching the installation of the Yakima TimberLine Towers with round bars and SL adapters. If you have any further questions, please visit rackwarehouse.com or call us at 800-272-5362. And always remember, we fit your lifestyle.